Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2020 Ipsy unbagging and unboxing. So I have here my regular $12 a month Ipsy Glam Bag and my $25 a month Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I'm really excited to be able to do a comparison video to see if it's really worth, practically doubling the price of this to get this. So I'm going to be doing my unbagging. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription service that's personalized to you based off of a survey you fill out and then the feedback that you give each month on the products that you receive. And I've been getting Ipsy for over a year now. I absolutely love it. So let's jump right in. So, ooh, cute bag this month. It's like a faux leather with metal studs. Really cute design. It says 100th Ipsy Glam Bag. That's such a big deal. Oh, and a brush here. This is from the brand Firma, the 203 brush. Feels okay. Like not super soft. It's pretty dense. It's like a eyeshadow brush that I feel like I have tons of these. Here's what it looks like, rounded tip. I get so many brushes in my beauty subscription services that I don't want brushes anymore, and I keep letting Ipsy know and putting on my feedback that I don't want brushes. So I'm a little bit bummed that I got a brush, and not even like a very interesting, unique brush either. Hopefully the rest of the products in here are better. Ooh, actually, let me take this one here. I'm excited for this. Ooh, and we did get a card. Let's see. Giveaways for days. They're doing a giveaway every single day. Ooh, and I got some product info. So the first product I pulled out here, this is the product that I chose. Let's see if we open it up. Ooh. I don't get a scent right away, but this is from the brand Awake. It's the Lip Therapy Lip Mask. This is a deluxe sample size. It says full size version retails for $20. And I love lip masks now. I'm obsessed with the Laneige lip mask, which I just did a review video on the To All the Boys I've Loved Before, like limited edition pack from Sephora. So I will link that video down below if you're interested in seeing it, but I've been loving that lip mask. So that makes me really excited to try out this one, which the packaging on this is so cute. I'm pretty sure this is a new brand to me. Like I haven't tried this brand before. So that's always exciting. I love learning new brands because of Ipsy. It seems like every month I learn about a few new brands from Ipsy, which is so fun and exciting for me. And then I'll pull out, oh, Kenzie, so pretty. This is a perfume. I actually love getting perfumes. I rarely get them, so this is exciting. I don't even think I've really tried any products from Kenzie either. Cute packaging on this. So this is the Kenzie So Pretty fragrance. This is a sample size of the full size, which is $55. Let me do a little smell test. Ooh, I love it. It smells kind of like a classic throwback type of fragrance to me, where it's like fruity and perfumey. Like it smells like it could be like a body spritz that I would have sprayed in a Bath and Body Works or a Victoria's Secret when I would hang out at the mall. I love it. It says fruity notes of apple and tangerine are fresh and bright, while green floral notes are the perfect mix of flirty and fun, which this really does. It smells like a mix of fruit and flowers. I love that. Oh, I'm really excited about that. Okay. And then what's this? Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow. This is exciting. Have I tried out products from Naked Cosmetics? I don't think I have, but I have definitely heard of this brand. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love this shade. It's like a champagne. It's the Naked Cosmetics Mica Pigment in Mother Nature number 5. Whoa, this is a full-size product with a retail value of $15. That is awesome because that's more than the price of this bag. And also, I forgot to mention that the brush has a retail value of $12.99. So I'm getting really great value in this bag. And also, I noticed there are 6 products in March rather than the regular 5, and that's to celebrate the 100th Glam Bag that they gave an extra bonus product. So the next product I'll pull out, oh no. You guys, this, even though it's in the bubble wrap, is completely spilled out and destroyed. Oh my gosh, I am so bummed because this is the Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in Americano. And it says it's a deluxe sample size, but this is huge. Okay, I'm not even gonna open it. Well, as I say that as I open it. Okay, I can't because it's completely spilled out everywhere. That is such a bummer. I can't even use it. But Ipsy is really good at replacing damaged products. So I'm just gonna take a picture of it, send it to them. Yeah, the cap's not even on it. That is such a bummer, such a waste. But I was really excited to get an Ofra, like basically full-size bronzer. That is a product that I would absolutely love. So I really hope they can replace it. Oh, I'm getting really good products, but that's such a bummer. Okay, the last product I'm pulling out, is from the brand Sugar, which this is a brand that I've been trying out because I got it in Ipsy and I got the pencil liner and the liquid eyeliner, which like blew me away. Just a regular black eyeliner pencil and a liquid eyeliner, but I love them. They're so good. So I will have those videos linked down below if you want to see those review videos. But this here is the Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. This is a sample size. The full-size version retails for $12.99. So if this is anything like those eyeliners, then this is going to be an amazing mascara, and I'm so excited to try it out. But wow, okay, that's what I got in my Glam Bag. Really good products that I'm really excited about, except for kind of bummed about the brush, definitely bummed about the bronzer. So we'll see. Keep you posted on if I do get a replacement. So now I'll move on to my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, which this cost $25 a month. And I'm concerned because my box, like the plastic seal here, was open. It was just taped back on. It's pretty squished. So let's hope that my products are okay. They do package it in foam, so hopefully that helps protect it. Let's see. Ooh, they did give me product information. I had not gotten my product information cards for all of my boxes the past few months, which was a real bummer. So I'm just happy to even get product info. It says this Glam Bag should have at least $120 worth of products. So let's pull out, this is the product that I chose because Ipsy lets you choose one of your products for each Glam Bag. And this is from the Balm. Okay, this is not sealed. Trying to see if it looks like it's been touched. I don't think so, but like no protective cover on this. But this is also smaller than I was expecting, but really cute packaging. It's like a metal tin. It's the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick PRF. Pick Perf. This has a retail value of $26.50. And it has, a natural primer, eyeshadows, really pretty shades. So this is a really cute palette. You've got the mirror. So I'm not even really swatching anything right now because if you're not already aware, I will be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in my Ipsy Glam bags as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the full dedicated review videos on these products. But also I would love to hear, let me know in the comments down below if there are any products that you're really interested in seeing review videos on first, and then I can make those videos prioritized. So let me know. Next, I'll pull out, I was just saying how I get so many brushes. But so this is from the brand Elle. I don't know that. I mean, this is cute. Nice little travel brush set. It's got a brow and a lash comb. 2 face brushes, maybe 2 eye brushes. So let's see, retail value of $29, which I feel like is not that bad for all of this and coming in this nice carrying case. But it does have some space here if I put some other products with it for travel. But like I keep saying, I don't need brushes. Okay, next I will pull out Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. Ooh, another lip treatment. And I have learned about the brand Yensa because of Ipsy as well. This is so pretty because it's hot pink. I'm really excited to see how this is. Ooh, it has 8 different superfoods. That's why it's called the Super 8 Lip Oil in the shade pink. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells really sweet, like candy, even though it has superfoods in it. But really pretty packaging. This has a retail value of $24. I love lip treatment products, if you couldn't tell. And then we've got the coffee scrub from Coconut, Organic Feelings. Retail value of $21.99. I think I tried this coffee scrub. I don't know if it's this exact same one, but I didn't love it because it smelled like coffee. I love coffee. Like, I wish that I could eat this rather than use it as a scrub, because when I tried it in the past, it just made such a mess in my shower. And like, yeah, this sounds like the loose, like coffee grinds. So I'd rather make a product than this, but I'm sure it's a really nice scrub, especially for $21.99. And then I've got Luna Liner from Seraphine Botanicals. Oh, I like that brand because it's like a natural brand. This is water resistant liquid eyeliner. Let's see if this is the black liquid eyeliner though. Oh, I said last month that I didn't need any more black liquid eyeliners and I'd rather like a colored one. Let's see. Yep, it's in the shade black. Gosh. So retail value of $18. I just really wish that my feedback meant something to Ipsy and the products that I would receive in my boxes, because receiving so many products that I keep saying I don't want. So it kind of feels like it ends up being a waste of money because I wouldn't buy these products or really use them anyways. But I mean, I have gotten some products that I'm really excited about. This one here, Malin and Gotez Revitalizing Eye Gel. I don't know this brand. Retail value of $42, which is pretty pricey. But I love an eye cream. I have started using one twice a day, so I will definitely use this. The packaging on this is kind of funny to me. Like, it is not appealing. Too many words, very simple. And then the Glam Bag, which says Unstoppable, and it fits. Buttons down, snaps down. This is cute. I like that it's a different design than the other ones that I had gotten before. So it's like the same size as the other Glam Bag. Yeah, like the exact same size. So sometimes you get a bigger makeup bag in the Glam Bag Plus, but same size this month, but different designs. So my total retail value of my Glam Bag Plus box is $161.49, which that's huge value, but I kind of feel like I'm more excited about the products that I got in my regular Ipsy Glam bag, just because they're products that I like to use more than the products that I got in my Glam Bag Plus, which let me do a quick recap of what I got. So in my Glam Bag Plus, which came with this glam bag, I got the coffee scrub, the eye gel, black liquid eyeliner, the brush set, and then the two products that I'm actually really excited about are the Yensa lip oil and the Pick Perf eyeshadow palette from the Balm. So two products that I'm really excited about. The other ones I didn't really need. And it's not even like I need any products. It's just like I wouldn't have even really cared or chosen those. But then for my regular Ipsy Glam bag, which came in this bag here, I got the Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow in a shade that I'm really excited about and will really get great use out of. The Awake Lip Mask, which I'm so excited about. It's the product I chose. The Kenzie So Pretty perfume, which I love the smell of and I will definitely start using right away. The mascara from Sugar, which is a brand that I really love. Hopefully I can get this bronzer replaced from Ofra because I would love this. And then there's only one product that I am not super excited about, which is this brush. So for the month of March, I think that my regular Ipsy Glam bag is the one that I like more, which is a surprise. So if we're thinking about upgrading to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I would say stick with the regular Ipsy Glam bag this month. But you never really know, it changes month to month. So I'm subscribed to all three Ipsy boxes, Ipsy Glam bags, which reminds me that I will be doing a comparison video of my $50 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box to my Boxy Luxe box. So those are in the mail, they'll be here soon. If you want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed and I'll compare the retail value of both of those. I've really been having so much fun comparing my Ipsy boxes to BoxyCharm because I just started getting BoxyCharm and I have been loving it. But anyways, if you got your Ipsy Glam bags, I would love to hear what you got in yours. If we got the same products, I just find that so cool when we're twinning with our Ipsy Glam bags. Also, if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because a lot of times you all tell me that you love certain products that I was not super excited about when I first pulled them out, but then hearing how much you all like them really makes me excited to try them. So I hope that happens. Well, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.